Magandang hapon po ng August 23, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 23, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 23, 2025, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, August 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 23, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.